Hey everyone, it's Lethal Logic Hacks. Just before we get started, there we go, much better. I have a new placard for the corner. No more duct tape and Sharpie placard. Now I have a 3D printed one. Anyway, so today I'm going to be picking this challenge lock here. This is MW1, pinned by MRay on the subreddit. And yeah, we will give this one a shot, see how it goes. Room for that actuator to turn back there. We'll put that key just slightly off frame. And let's see how this goes. So I'm going to be using top of the keyway tension and this Sparrow's deep hook. Let's see what we got. So I got binding on number 1, got a good click. Binding on 2, got another click. 3 is binding, but it feels like it's kind of a low cut. Maybe some binding on 4. I got a bit of a click there. Binding on 5. Oh, got a little bit of movement on the core. And yeah, this is 6 pin. There was definitely a pin back there. More binding on 1 it seems. Oh, and we've dropped into a false set. Excellent. Now we'll see if we can find some counter rotation. Oh, I just touched another pin there. I felt like I got a little bit more core movement. And definitely counter rotation. It's a little gritty. It doesn't want to really move, but it's definitely giving me counter rotation. Come on. Keep slipping off that pin. Okay, I think I might have gotten it set there. Maybe. Okay, it kind of feels like more counter rotation. Oh, nope. I slipped and I think I shoved it up too far. I definitely lost my false set there. Oh, nice. Okay. So I let a pin fall back down and I'm back into a very deep false set. Oh, I think this is counter rotation on 2. Really wicked counter rotation. Holy cow. And I got that set. Oh! And I think I touched 3, and there it is. That is a picked lock. Excellent. That went a whole lot better than I expected. Alright, let's see if we can get this gutted. There we go. Alright. I'm going to use my new prototype pinning tray. Get these screws off the back. Oh, I think this is too big of a screwdriver. Yep. Where's my smaller screwdriver? Alright, let's see if this will work. Oh, yep. That fits. Excellent. Go, and let's see if my usual follower will fit. No, I think that is again going to be too small. Back to the pen cap. thing has really been shining recently. All right. Got 1, 2, 3. Come on, 3. There we go. 4, 5, and 6. We'll get these driver pins out. Oh, come back, tweezers. So there's number 1. Oh, wow. That looks super awesome. Number 2. Oh, I think I flipped that one upside down. I believe he was in there like that. Number 3. Oh, is a big old T-pin. We'll get the rest out from the back. There's 6. Wow, just beautiful pin work in this lock. There's number 5. And 4. Get these springs out. Oops. That's number 4. Come back here. Okay, so far it's looking like all the springs are the same. Whoop, get back here, spring. Okay. So, I don't think there's any modifications to the core, because you can't really get anything in there. And yeah, nothing in the core. But beautiful pins, my goodness. I will put a close-up on screen like usual. Yeah, holy cow. See if we can get a close-up on a couple of these. That one is a very beautifully shaped spool with a little serration on the bottom. That explains why I got 2 clicks out of number 1. Very deep, heavy spool on number 2. Number 3 is just a big old T-pin. Number 4 is a spool with a couple serrations, I guess. I think that's the one I was having difficulties setting. These gritty spools. Number 5 is the same. Another serrated spool. And goodness, number 6. Oh, just flung a spring across my desk. This one's very cool. Lots of little grooves cut into that one. Alright, well, that is all I have for you on this lock. That was super fun. Very well made lock. Again, made by MW1 on the subreddit. There is the key as well. Very nasty bitting on that. Lots of ups and downs. Alright. So that is all I have for you today. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.